So here it is, my new book, Celestial Scotland. I could not be happier of how it turned out. The printing of it is absolutely amazing, the feel of it is amazing, and in this video I'm just going to show you what's inside. It's a huge step up from my previous book that I did a few years ago. Here it is here, so you can see the size difference. This was more of a pocket guide and it did absolutely amazing. I couldn't thank you enough for the support, and I really just wanted to kind of do bigger, better, and this book has just overtaken it. So that was an amazing book. I'll be forever grateful for this book, but now we've got the big one. So very, very happy. So as you can see, the front cover looks absolutely amazing. It's Buccleuch of Moher, captured it roughly about springtime this year, and then the back is an amazing aurora display up in the west coast of Scotland. But yeah, you can just tell it's laminated, absolutely beautiful, looks incredible, feels amazing. You know, it just feels quality, which is really, really cool. So yeah, let's see what's inside. So the first thing you'll notice about this book is all my images are absolutely superb. So throughout the book there's a few gallery sections, so you'll see a lot of my images. So well printed, the colours are fantastic, the shadows look fantastic, and yeah, just so much of my pictures throughout the book, which looks really, really cool to illustrate everything that I'm talking about. So yeah, enjoy the pictures, which is just amazing. I really like the pictures. I wanted to include a wee bit more pictures in this book, and thankfully they've turned out fantastic. So the book is specialised for Scotland, so it's all dedicated to Scotland, so you won't notice anything from around the world. It's just a Scotland book. Because the book is specialised for Scotland, you'll notice in the book I've got locations around Scotland where you can enjoy the night sky. Also in this book I've gone into more detail about astrophotography here, so I go more into the settings and things you need to know for astrophotography, such as noise, your lenses, your camera bodies. So there's much more in-depth photography knowledge in this book. In this book as well, I've also collaborated with Helena Cochrane. She's a fantastic deep sky astrophotographer. So it's not my sort of niche of photography, but she's helped out and created a nice deep sky chapter. So her images are included, and they are absolutely incredible and turned out so well in this print. So you'll notice everything about deep sky, all the settings and the deep sky equipment that you may need, and yeah, just about polar alignment and telescopes and editing and everything you need to know about deep sky photography. I've also added a wee bit of unique content, so I've put stuff about the dark sky parks here in Scotland, so like the Cairngorms, you know, the Glenlivet Estate and the Gallowby Forest. So I've added, you know, details and information about their obligations and requirements to be a dark sky park. I thought it was very interesting, so it's worth putting in the book. Also some stargazing information's in it, so if you want to just go casual stargazing in Scotland just with the naked eye, using laser pointers, there's loads of information about stargazing here in Scotland. In this book as well, my diagrams, charts and graphs are so much better. They've just been upped to the next level a wee bit, so it makes explaining things so much easier and easier to understand. So overall, I'm so happy with this book. There's obviously way more content in it than I've just explained, but yeah, it's great to have all my work in an absolute beast of a project. So happy with it. It's probably my last book that I'll do. I feel like I've done everything I can to put everything in this book, and yeah, it's absolutely amazing. I could probably update it in a few years, but I think it's an absolute kind of final piece, and I'm so happy with it. So if you show some interest in it, I couldn't thank you enough. It's an amazing way to show support for myself travelling about Scotland, all the sleepless nights, the fuel, the stress, and all the printing sort of drama, because it takes quite a lot of production to produce a book like this, and a lot of trial and error. So if you show support, I couldn't thank you enough, and yeah, it's a great way to show myself support. So thank you very much, and best of luck with the clear skies.